Hi everybody, I'm HondaPro Jason in an undisclosed garage somewhere in Denmark with a friend of mine that called me up and said, hey listen, you want to come over and see some of my Hondas? I said, well of course, right? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing awesome. So let's show them a couple of your Hondas. So we're going to start with the CRZ, right?
Yeah.
So what year is it?
It's from 2011.
Okay.
It's a hybrid 1.5. I guess that's the engine.
That's standard, but what's not standard is you have a back seat.
Yeah.
Right?
We have a back seat.
In the US, we don't have a back seat.
No.
Yeah, so in the back here, come on, check this out real quick. For those of you that haven't seen it before, this actually has a back seat. Not super comfortable.
No.
You'd have to be very, like, maybe for a baby or groceries, but it's so cool you actually have a back seat.
That's like the old CRXs here in
Yes.
Europe. We also have back seat.
Same idea. And guys, we're just getting started. What I'm going to show you is going to totally blow your mind. So, Honda Integra Type R.
Yeah.
Not an Acura, because again, in Europe, you guys don't have Acura, you have Honda.
No.
So tell me a little bit about this one.
This is from Sweden actually, and it's a totally original car that I use for track days. It's totally stock. It has only another extra system, and that's it. Because I like the idea of driving it like Honda meant it to be driven. It's sometimes when you drive on track, then I like that it's a standard car, and
yes,
no excuses about modifications or.
That's true. It turns out to be the driver's the one that won the race.
Yeah.
And this car is built for the track. It's
Yeah.
really nice. Now you come on into the garage a little bit. You travel all around Europe looking for the perfect vehicles.
Yes.
Right? It's very important to you. And you're a true Honda enthusiast. Check out the walls. Just look at this for a second. Old Honda ads are covering the walls. No idea where you got this. It looks like it came from a Honda dealership somewhere.
That's the dealerships, yeah.
Okay.
And I actually know that the guy that had built them.
Really?
Back in time, yes. So.
The reason why this is red, so everyone else knows that's watching in America, is America is the only country that has blue.
Yeah.
Canada, Mexico, everyone's red. Europe, everyone's red except for US. US, everything in Honda is blue.
But yeah. I think you'll agree that red is the right color and Honda is Honda.
Red is the right color and Honda is Honda for sure. Now before we get too far more into the garage, I'm standing in front of one of in fact, the lowest Honda NSX mileage cars I've ever seen in my life.
Okay.
So tell me a little bit about this. What year is it?
This is the first, it's a 1991, totally original, stock car.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. And how many kilometers are on it?
15,500 kilometers now.
Which would we say was about 10,000 miles or so?
Yeah, almost 10,000.
Almost 10,000 miles.
So.
It is absolutely beautiful.
The tires are other tires from 1991. The compound is this is the Yokohama tires that's set on the car from new.
That's
and
amazing.
don't worry, I don't drive on these tires, but
these are the original tires.
These are the original tires, yes. I'll show you the engine bit.
And I mean, everything looks like it's never been touched. It's absolutely flawless. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous inside there. And the inside as well, there's still some plastic on the door sills. I mean, whoever had this car obviously barely drove it, but took amazing care. Look at this. It smells new.
Yeah, it does. Every year it has been driven.
Just opposite of the NSX, we have a car that I've never seen. I've never seen an EF hatch with an original B16 in it from the factory.
No.
So what year is this?
This is the same year as the NSX in 1991.
God, when you pop the hood, I was like, here, let me give you guys the full effect here for a second here, so you guys can get it. So come on over here. So I come over here and I'm like, oh, okay. Well, pop the hood. He goes, no problem. So he goes over here, he pops the hood and he shows me, look at this, B16 inside a Civic hatch.
Yeah. And the owner who has it had it from new, and it was still maintained by the Honda dealer. Even the battery is Honda battery.
Everything looks perfect. And you said this is, even in Europe, this is very rare. It's the only one you've ever seen.
I've only seen
in
that
white.
actually in white, yeah, because I don't know, but that's the Honda thing, that and a GTI thing, I guess.
Okay.
You like the GTI, the late 80s and the first and early 90s. It was just these GTI cars with white painting and red stripes.
Let's go through this real quick. Where did you get the Type R again? The Integra?
This Type R is from Sweden.
Okay, and the NSX?
The NSX is from Sweden as well.
And the Civic?
That's from Switzerland.
And then the car that's hiding in the back?
The Integra is from Germany.
So what's special about this Integra back here?
It has only 100,000 kilometers on.
Again, pretty much brand new. It's amazing.
It's hard to see it, but I can take the camera.
So everything's original, even the airbox.
Yeah.
God, you don't see that often.
No. And you can see the lower part of the airbox is there still. Because that's always a good sign that some young guy
hasn't taken it out and
has to take it out to
done everything.
to get the sound. The Integra is special to me because I had an Integra for 15 years ago.
Okay.
So that's why it's I can relate to that when I was
younger.
Younger, yeah.
Makes
and,
sense.
The same with
the Civic hatch.
Yeah, I had that one as well. So it's kind of bringing all the memories back when I go out here, and
it's pretty awesome.
Yeah. And of course the NSX I didn't have.
But wanted to.
When I was so young, but of course I wanted to.
I think everyone in the world had pictures of this on their bedroom wall, no matter where you lived.
No.
And this isn't your only. I mean, you have other cars. You have other cars that don't fit in this garage.
Yeah.
What other cars do you have quickly? You have
I have a.
Your first gen Civic.
Civic, yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you guys a couple pictures of that now because I had the opportunity to see it last time I was in Denmark.
You signed it.
I got to autograph his car. That's pretty cool. What else do you have?
A Civic from '86. That's the Euro version of that with 124 horsepower.
Okay.
Yeah.
A D series.
D series, yeah. That's a really cool car, cause and in mint condition. Cool. So I really like that because it's so light and the weight is so light, and it's an amazing
cool.
car. And I have the same car as this, but in CRX. So
okay.
Another
1991
E8 as well. Yeah.
E8, okay.
91. Yeah.
Awesome.
This is E9 and the other one is
cool.
E8. Yeah.
Cool.
So
before I let you go, swing around just for a second. I want to show them something really cool that I saw down here as we were walking through. You have a lot of magazines, and you have a lot of. I'm assuming a lot of brochures, right? Yep. A lot of old NSX. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? A lot of cool old NSX brochures. And some really, really cool stuff. What I think is the coolest, though, personally, is this Motor Classic magazine, because there's an article written just about you and your cars.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Look at this. So very cool. And that's the car we were talking about right over there. Man, Rasmus, this is unbelievable. It's so cool. Well, I can't thank you enough. First, for just contacting me while I was out here. This is awesome. And for the opportunity to film and check out all the cars in your garage. It's really
a pleasure
cool.
to meet you.
I appreciate that very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Have a nice trip to France.
All the way to France for Honda Euro Meet. It's going to be awesome.
Enjoy it. I wish I could be there.
Next time.
Yeah.
I'll be back again.
Yeah, good.
Guys, this time from Denmark. As always, though, I'm the Honda Pro. And now you're in the know.